Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a pot using newspaper. This video is going to be amazing. I hope you will like it. First take a balloon and blow it up. Then cut some pieces of newspaper. Make a paste by taking equal amounts of Fevicol and water. Paste these pieces on the balloon with the help of this mixture. In this way, you have to apply 5 to 6 layers of paper on the entire balloon. Then dry it. After drying, it will look like this. Now cut a round on its top. And burst the balloon. Make a base of cardboard for this. Let's paint it and decorate it. Our pot is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.